Let's do some spine twist. We're going to keep our band around our ankles, and we're going to just set our legs out in front of us, flexed, hip distance apart. So the band is going to help us to notice if we're shifting in our hips at all. So our heels should stay even, and then we're going to keep a little bit of tension on the sides of our hips while we do this. Go ahead, reach your arms outside, nice and tall. Inhale and to the right. Exhale, 1, a little more, 2, a little more, 3, and then inhale, center to the left. And center, and right, and 2, and 3, and center, and left, and 2, and 3, and center. Again. And center, and reach out through the arms and the crown of the head, and center. And a left, and 2, and 3. One more round. Here we go. To the right, and 2, and 3. Back, center, and left, and 2, and 3, and center. Nice. Moving into rolling like a ball. So let's come forward onto our mat, and you're going to untie your band here. Once you get it untied, you're going to put it around your feet. So this is going to be fancy again. So you're going to take your band and then put it at the balls of your feet, and you're going to actually cross the band. Make sure it's pretty even. And you're going to cross the band and put it into your hands. And then you're going to tip back off your sits bones and bring your legs up at a little diagonal. Now you're going to try and keep your shape and do a roll. So here we go, roll back, come up and balance. And now you're going to twist open to one side and pull on the band while you balance, because it's fun. And now we're going to roll back and come up. And now you're going to twist open to the other side. Yes, keep those legs up here and center. That was 2. Inhale back. Exhale up, inhale, twist, exhale, center, inhale back, exhale up, inhale, twist, and center. And again, back, and up, and twist, and center. This is 6. We're going to do 10. Up, and twist, and center. And 7, and up, and twist, and center, and back, and up, and twist, and center. Again, back, and up, and twist, center, and back, up, twist, center. Let's go right into a transition. Uncross your bands, and you're going to roll down onto your back. The band is going to stay at your toes, and we're going to do single leg stretch. So you're going to extend the right leg long and reach the left arm up overhead as you go, and then come back in, put the foot back in the band. Now you're going to extend the left leg out and reach the right arm up overhead and come back. Good, let's do it again. Extend the right leg, bring the left arm up and back to the band. Extend the left leg, bring the right arm up. A little quicker, here we go. And right leg goes, and center. Left leg goes, 2 more sets. Right leg goes, and center. Left leg goes, and center. Good. Go ahead, put your feet down, rest your head a moment. We're going to go into obliques. Now as you extend the leg, you're going to twist towards the bent knee and extend your arms. All right, come back up. Legs are up. We're going to extend the right leg. So go for it. Extend the right leg. Your left knee comes in, and you're going to straighten your arms overhead as you twist towards the left knee. And then come back in. Now you bend the right knee in, extend the left leg, and twist towards the right knee. And in. And again, twist towards the left. And in. Twist towards the right. Keep folded forward, and to the left, extend the arms if you can, and in. To the right, extend the arms. 2 more sets, and again, to twist left, and twist right. 1 more set, and twist left, and twist right. Very good. Center and lower down. Let your head rest a moment if you need to. Come on up to seated. We're going to now tie our band around our ankles. So take the band, and the ankles will be together. And you're going to tie the band around the ankles and then have the tail of the band off to one side. And what we're going to do is double leg stretch, but as the arms circle around, you're also going to circle your legs out and around as you extend them out. It's going to be fun. So lie down, bring your legs up to tabletop and fold forward. What you're going to do is reach the arms and the legs out and then circle the arms and the legs around as you come back in. And again, reach the arms and the legs out, circle the arms and the legs around and come back in. And reach on your diagonal, circle the arms and the legs around. 2 more. Reach, circle the arms and the legs around. 1 more. Reach, circle the arms and the legs around. And lower down and rest a moment. All right, we have 1 more bit of fun for our abdominal series. We're going to do scissors. So you're going to keep the band around your ankles, bring it up to tabletop, and then fold forward, reaching your arms out and away. Reach your legs to the sky with the band around the ankles, and let's go for our scissors. Right leg forward, left leg out. Exhale. And center. Left leg forward, right leg out, and center. And again, reach, reach, center, and reach, reach, center. This is 3. Reach, reach, center, reach, reach, center. 2 more sets. This is 4. Center, center. Last set. Reach, reach, center, and reach, reach, center. Very good. Bend the knees and rest. Let your head fall right to left a little bit in case you found some tension in your neck. And just breathe gently. All right, come on up. And we are going into our shoulder bridge with 3 leg movements up and down. So take your band off your ankles, and we're going to do, once you get your band off your ankles, we are going to do the band at our hips again, like we did with our hip rolls. So grab it, and you can lie back down, feet are hips distance apart. And the band is going to be right at your pelvis to help make sure that your hips do not drop as you do this, ideally. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Hands are going to be anchored to the ground, shoulders are down and wide. Don't let them creep up on you. Here we go. Inhale in neutral pelvis. Exhale. Press the hips to the sky. Now, you're going to go ahead and reach the right leg up and flex and lower 1. Lift, flex and lower 2. Keep those hips even if you can. Flex and lower 3. Lift and put the right foot down. Lift those hips if they dropped. Press into the band. Here we go. Left leg comes up. Try not let the hips drop. Bring it up and 1. And up and 2. And up and 3. Bring it back up. Lift the hips if they dropped, and let's lower the hips down. Now we're going to start with the left leg. Inhale. Exhale, lift the hips. Left leg goes up. Flex and lower 1. Lift it up. And 2. Lift it up. And 3. Lift it up and put it down. Pick that right leg up. And a 1. Lift. 2. Lift. 3. Lift and put it down. Lift the hips and lower the hips. We'll go again, right, left, and then left, right. Inhale. Exhale, lift the hips. And now lift the right leg up. Flex and lower 1. And up. And 2. And up. And 3. and up. Bring it down, lift the hips, left leg, bring it up. Flex and lower 1, and up, 2, and up, 3, and up, and bring it down. Lift the hips and lower the hips. Last round. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale, lift the hips. Left leg to the sky. Flex and lower 1. Point and reach. And 2. Point and reach. And 3. Point and reach. And bring it down. Right leg up to the sky. Flex and lower 1. Point and reach. And 2. Point and reach. And 3. Point and reach. And bring it down. Lift those hips and lower them down. Fantastic. Let your pelvis release for a moment.